Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll show you a possible fix for a dead Pod Vape battery. So out of the blue, your Pod Vape battery quit working. That's what happened to me, so I decided to dismantle it. Use something like a Q-tip, screwdriver, or toothpick to push from the inside out. Choose a corner to push so as not to damage the connector pins. Once the end is out, you can pull it out completely. Remove the casing from around the connection pin. This is where I found the problem. E-liquid had built up underneath the casing. I cleaned it and the area around it thoroughly with a Q-tip. Reinsert the internal case, making sure that the casing is seated properly into place. Slide the internal battery case back into the Pod body. And that's it. This trick will also work with the JUUL battery. Your battery may be toast, but if you think it is anyway, give this trick a try. It might just work. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.